Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Madhuran Srinivas. Every day we will see one or two questions of dermatology being discussed in this channel. So if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And so we are looking at this question of FMG June 2021 question, which was asked, which says a farmer comes to the skin OPD with painful swollen foot and they are discharging sinuses and dark grains coming out of the sinuses. So these are all the clues which I have highlighted with the pen, and you can see the question asks what is the diagnosis. Option A botryomycosis, B Madura foot, C actinomycetoma, and D sporotrichosis. And if you look at these clues carefully, farmer who usually walks barefoot has every possibility to get injured in the feet, and through the injured part of the feet there can be gain of the fungal elements or spores, because of which there will be most likely subcutaneous fungal infections happening in these group of patients. So the rest of the clue says there is a pain and the feet is swollen. So this is first clue, swollen feet, and there are some sinuses which are there, out of which there are grains coming out. So whenever you see all these three features, always and always you should think about mycetoma as the diagnosis. But there are option B and C, both of which are mycetomas. So you need to have a clear-cut idea about the differences between these two types of mycetoma. But before that, we will see what is this triad actually. This is GST. So it is God, Sex and Truth, which is a movie made by Ram Gopal Verma, directed by him. So otherwise you can also remember it as GST, Goods and Service Tax, which is there in India, which is used in India. And G for grains or granules, S for sinuses, discharging sinuses, T for tumescence. Tumescence is a costly word just to tell that there is swelling. So you can see that the feet, there is swelling which is present, and there are some sinuses out of which dark grains are coming out. So this is the next very important clue. It is dark grains which are present. Why is this clue important? Because there are two types of mycetomas. One is eumycetoma and the other one is actinomycetoma. Eumycetoma is truly fungal in origin, whereas actinomycetoma, it is having a bacterial origin. It is due to bacteria. And how can you remember this? Simple trick, just keep B here, so it will become bactinomycetoma, and you can remember that it is bacteria which are causing this. And there are various bacteria, out of which you can remember Nocardia, Streptomyces. So these are the important ones. Apart from this, even Actinomycetoma is also important. So in the eumycetoma part, you must remember the causative agent is Madurella. And both of these types of mycetoma are going to release granules, but you must remember that in eumycetoma the granules can have black color, and also there can be pale colored granules, whereas in actinomycetoma the granules are going to be pale in color. There will not be any black granules in actinomycetoma. So these are all the names of the organisms. In the eumycetoma, you can see Madurella species is the one which you have to remember, and in actinomycetoma you must remember Actinomycetoma madure, Nocardia and Streptomyces. So these are the important names. And yes, so in this particular question you can see Madura foot is given. Madura foot is nothing but it is the other name for eumycetoma. And since the question mentioned it as dark green, so our answer is going to be Madura foot or eumycetoma. Sporotrichosis, option D, it is caused by Sporothrix shinki and it will present as linear nodules along the lymphatic. So sporotrichosis is not the answer. Botryomycosis will also present with this swollen foot, but it is not going to have any grains or granules discharging out of the sinuses. And botryomycosis is caused by Staphylococcus aureus. And in actinomycetoma, we have already seen that the grains or granules are going to be pale in color, so it is not actinomycetoma. Okay, so I hope all of you have enjoyed this, discussion of the mycetoma. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel and ask whatever queries you have regarding dermatology, you can check out this code. You can scan it through your mobile phone and you can you will be directed towards a my telegram group. and these are the sessions which were actually taken. This is image based discussion session. You can watch this by just scanning this QR code. Directly you will be taken to this Unacademy video which was done on 14th of April. And if you wish to see more of these kind of videos, do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss out any of the videos. Press that bell icon also. And if you want to become a part of the Unacademy family and follow me on Unacademy, you can become my follower. The link I will put it in the description below. And you can check this out. You can check this entire session of FMG June 2021 analysis video I have made. This is completely free for everyone to watch. All you need to do is download Unacademy Learning app and use this referral code DRMSD to unlock this particular session. All you need to do is just scan this QR code and you will be directed towards this FMG June analysis session, in which I have discussed all the questions which were asked in the FMG exam. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this type of videos, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you wish to check out my previous videos on dermatology related topics, do check out these two videos. Okay, I will put the link for these two in these areas. Okay, check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Happy learning dermatology.